Yo, Ebusia, welcome back to the channel again. Best so you for now show video and now press the subscribe button na man. Ubia now press notification bell no. So that I release video pen 10 time now be notification about device I will use no so. And the yansha Kumasi Asante Kotoko assemble na wo. Said the player Kotoko ye near dinechi ya pray ho akoye pushy we are knocking on their doors. But so, almost a mumbi, when I make an answer me, Justice Blade, Chief Justice, said and go for be friend and Chief Justice, or back at a colonial you to me, na Kotokono ba as loan. Ya fin ya some management in but media from person mid So Endra officially, that was Monday on the 15th of March, officially Kotoko SR command media say player ne boy saying, player Justice Blade ne boy saying. Because we are still interested in the player. A player who was shown on several occasions say he wants to come back to the Porcupine Warriors family. No, but joining. Now officially, Mediama I reply as Asante Kotoko action say Justice Blade no nebo $50,000. $50,000. Yes, that's US dollars. So Kotoko was asking now among fam remember Magic Justice Blade. And then media may release the official statement and they reply Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Later on they bro want to say pay Justice Blade no. So $50,000 Kumasi Asante Kotoko, I don't know. You need your coffee team Kotoko, we should have that money. $50,000 there. A crowd like Kumasi Asante Kotoko. LC to me you go boy neighbor because boy no ne soon se say Kotoko. Fans no so agina tum. While dinka ba team ni bida. Enti oba nyafe na oba best struggle to gel with the teams with the team. Enti man boy na kofa camera $50,000 man kofa mrana yankofa boy man no man best no mbo man. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Aha the Fablo zone. For Porcupines by Porcupines.